The machine shop, where a good idea can turn into a revolutionary invention. Where great minds collide to bring us the products that we use every day. With tolerances down to 1,000th of an inch, it truly is the home of precision manufacturing.
Next on how it's manufactured. RFID scanner cases. Here in the computer lab, we can start 3D modeling our prototype. For this design, I've come up with a case that provides space and accessibility to all of the electrical components used in the RFID scanner. It boasts a sense of durability, simplicity, and a can-do attitude. Here you can see the natural tabs I've incorporated into the design. This helps reduce the number of fasteners needed. All customer requested features, such as a hole for on-off switch and laptop connection port, have been included as well. We'll send this to 3D print overnight and see what it looks like tomorrow. So I pulled my part out of the 3D printer today, and it looks like there was some kind of mistake with the printing process that left us with a very unrefined finish and a lot of excess material. But when you're one-offing a prototype, sometimes you gotta work with what you have. So let's get the Dremel and some sandpaper, clean this up, and see what we can make happen. Here I am removing the support material from the 3D print. This material is weaker than the ABS plastic that is used for the main structure. Next, I sandblasted the case to remove the wiry plastic strings attached to my components. These are not typical to 3D printed models, but with the errors encountered in the 3D printing, they had to be cleaned up. Now that the part is cleaned up and looking a little better, I am ready to adhere a synthetic rubber to my back case. This will keep the seal between the back and the main part of the case tight and prevent any water or dust from entering. The excess rubber is cut away, holes are drilled where the case will attach, and I'm ready to put the electrical components in. After attaching the back plate onto the case, we are ready to see how it would work on a machine. For this example, I'm using one of the end mills in the machine shop. Traditionally, an ocular pat-down was the only way of determining if someone was qualified to use the machinery. By implementing the RFID system, shop workers can help prevent unauthorized users from operating the machinery and help keep everyone safe.
We've looked at how you can take a good idea, model it, prototype it, and make it a reality. Today, it was a case for an RFID scanner, but tomorrow, it could be a supercar or even a toothbrush that does your taxes. In fact, that's a pretty good idea.